Hello and welcome. Today I will dedicate time again to my GCP professional architect certification path. Uh, from this video, I will dedicate some time to Google Cloud fundamentals. I will have a review of the core infrastructure. I will basically do this course here. Now, share with you my web browser. Okay. So I already completed this course here, preparing for your professional cloud architect journey, which was not really useful in my case, as I will do all the courses, and this is useful when you want to pick something. Therefore, I will just go for all the courses that are available here. Let's start with this one. I need to log in, and yeah, I already have bought some credits which may be necessary for this course. Okay, keep it steady. Yeah, hello, let's go. Start course. Okay, 20 credits. Cloud infrastructure, Google Cloud Armor. These skills were generated by AI. Do you agree this course teaches these skills? I'm not sure. Google Cloud Fundamentals introduce important concept terminology for working with Google Cloud. Through videos and hand-on labs, this course presents and compares many of Google Cloud computing and storage services. Okay, so sorry. And I'm looking if the bitrate is okay. Let me just see one thing here. Okay, it's everything okay. I was checking my streaming software. So I was saying, through videos and hand-on labs, this course presents and compares many of Google Cloud's computing and storage services, along with important resource and policy management tools. When you complete this course, you can earn the badge displayed here, with all the badges you have earned by visiting your profile page, blah, blah, blah. Boost your cloud career by showing the world the skills you have developed. Course introduction. This section welcomes learners, introduction with cloud. Okay, so here I have a resume of all the modules. Oh, nice. Okay, course summary, your next step. Okay. So this course is supposed to be a 5-hour course. I would try to do it as fast as possible, but not missing the quality. So let's see, what can I do? Okay. Just a second. I want to hear what's saying here. What's happening? Oh, come on. Can you believe this? My God. Windows. What did you do today? I just tried to set up my Windows audio. Okay, now what the fuck? Why can't see this? Hmm. Well, I'm not sure what happens, but I cannot hear the audio. Jesus Christ, fucking Jesus Christ. So, man, how do you check this shit? My God. In this mode, I don't have any other real option. Okay, so I just need to read. No, I need to hear this fucking shit, otherwise I will get so slow. Disconnect from this shit. Let's connect to this other shit. Let's see now. Man, can you believe this? Finally. Yeah, GCP Cloud Engineer. Half an hour to check the audio. Let's fucking go. Yeah, nice. It's useful for everybody. Great. Let's go. So these videos are always just an introduction. They're not real content. So now we'll have, okay, we had this course introduction. Now we'll go through this module here, which is just some videos and a quiz at the end. We will do a speed run. Then we have this one, which has a laboratory, and this one will be serious. Okay, so to continue, they all have laboratories, some labs, some exercises. Well, in this case, not. Then, yeah, they have something here. Okay, so I also had some videos previous to this one where I was checking how the virtual labs work. And yeah, you can check that video in case you need to understand where I'm taking the resources with which I will do the exercises. Okay. Mhm. Wow, nice. This one is interesting actually. Okay, let me just check one thing. So I will try to invite some friends. Oh, okay. I'm just posting to some friends that I'm doing this live stream. Okay. Oh, I can post it. Man, what's happening? Come on. Okay, so I will send it to some friends interested in GCP, people that is also studying for the professional architect certification. Well, in general, people studying for Google Cloud certifications, as this one is a basic course, a fundamental one. I will not exclude anybody. Okay, so GCP. Yeah. Well, I'm having some difficulties here. Hello. Hello, guys. I am starting for, GCP certification. Okay, so I invited the people, but let's see. Let's see if someone wants to join. Okay, now I can get back. So, what defines cloud? Customers get computing resources that are on demand and self-service. Okay. So computing resources on demand and self-service, customer access the resources over the internet from everywhere. Part of those resources allocate them to users out of that pool. Hmm. Hmm. So it's basically decoupling infrastructure maintenance, infrastructure location, nearly, and the infrastructure users, computing infrastructure users. Okay, so it's decoupling the business from the tech. I would say from a part of the tech. Okay, there's a lot to reflect on, but it's interesting. So the Third wave will be container-based architecture, so microservices, basically. Okay. Virtualized data center, collocation. This thing about the collocation, IT Avanti, collocation, collocation spot. Collocation services. What is the collocation? Collocation hosting, in essence, refers to the practice of placing privately owned servers and hardware in a third-party data center, commonly known as a collocation center. Oh, okay, so you rent only the machine. I mean, you buy only the machines, but rent the space. Wow. Interesting. Since collocation is a broad topic and many of our customers ask very specific questions, we decided to put together this resources page for everyone to learn about collocation. Nice. Okay, so they are saying that they were using collocation, well, virtualized data center, which I'm not sure what this means. Okay. Okay, so the next step was, instead of renting the space and buying the machines, you rent the space and the machines, and you will just bring your virtual machine management. Nice. Okay, so now the next step is also not managing virtual machines, not even managing those one. So you just manage your piece of code and the data you need to make flowing your pipelines. Interesting. Wow, it's interesting because I'm also interested in the business side of things. Actually, I'm trying to achieve this certification mostly because I would like to be able to build my own services and then try to sell the services. Therefore, I'm fascinated about these points of view, and they make actually sense. It's everything which is not a new piece of software or a new collection of data. It's just something available for everybody, doable without a particular knowledge, or, well, knowledge about technology becomes accessible in a natural way the moment it's starting to become profitable. So something profitable becomes accessible for everybody who wants to know how to do it. And then it becomes a commodity available for everybody who's willing to pay for it. Therefore, yeah, what remains to differentiate is just the software. Okay, software and the data. The data, eventually, more than the software, because in the end, also software are modular, and pieces of software are always less and less new. They're always the same software getting used. Therefore, only the data, the state of the context is the only thing that differentiates each project from the other, because the set of data they consider relevant, it's what makes the difference. Nice, interesting. Well, where are my points? I mean, okay. Okay, so infrastructure as a service is at the virtualization services level. So you do not need to manage the computation hardware, storage hardware, and network hardware. You just need to connect somewhere and you will have already this infrastructure. You will just need to configure it. Therefore, nice, having infrastructure as a service allows you to think only about how to configure infrastructure and how to run the software on it. Okay, so platform as a service is an infrastructure that is already configured to run specific software. For what they allocate, okay, for what they use. So in the infrastructure as a service, you will pay for the number for the size of your clusters. For example, for the size of your blocks of memory, for the size of your the dimension of the network you're using. Instead, when the platform is already configured and you choose from those already existing available, you will just need to pay for what you're using because they're already configured and allocated, available. Okay. Because the moment when you configure an infrastructure, you are already allocating that infrastructure to that specific type of environment, which will be compatible with a specific type of software that needs to be executed. Wait. Okay, so manage resources and manage services. I mean, okay. Deploy containerized microservices-based application in a fully managed environment. Cloud Run functions manage event-driven code as a pay-as-you-go service. Okay, so here you have an entire application, an entire container. Here, instead of the container, Cloud Run functions. So this was Cloud Run and Cloud Run functions. Cloud Run functions are just pieces of code, event-driven pieces of code. So you do not provide a container. So the difference with Cloud Run, that Cloud Run functions do not need a container. They just need some code, okay? Therefore, maybe the container will be automatically created with the code you provide. So these allow the serverless patterns, which are basically, they are based on managed services. Yeah, so managed services, I do not understand if they're making a parallelism with the platform as a service. I imagine I see like this. It's like a managed service is just a managed platform as a service. We'll see if they make any type of graphic representation. So software as a service is something that, for example, I can provide leveraging Google Cloud, mounting on Google Cloud my services, my softwares, and allowing someone through an API, for example, to access this software which I built. And the software will be mine. I will maintain, I will be responsible for it, and will manage the data. Maybe the data will be for the customers, I'm not sure. But yeah, so basically the customer will not have any of this preoccupation. They maybe will be just a business buying access to this software. Okay, so we completed this activity too. Let's go. We're on fire. Let's see if someone is interested in joining. So no, there's still 0 people interested in this. That's okay. I mean, I'm studying, and if someone is curious, they can join after. Otherwise, I will just keep it for me. Hmm. So it's interesting. I will take note of all this stuff. Let's see if I can. No, I will just take note in something local. I mean, still not have anything relevant to take note of. Availability, durability, and latency. Well, yeah. So, hey man, sure what's happening with me. Okay, so I'm taking note that availability. Oh no, I will do like these. So I will use Google Drive this account. Yeah, I need to finish studying the study cases for the cloud certification, but that's another project. So I need hey, come on. What happens here? So cloud architect. In general, this will be my cloud dictionary. So in all cases, the provider for now will be GCP. Therefore, I will just copy it here. Okay. Then here I will put word, and here the definition. And what happens here? Okay. So for example, cloud itself will have definition which United States okay. So source, the NIST definition of cloud computing, computer security, reports of acknowledgements, post audience. So it's service. Cloud computing is a model of enabling ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of computer resources that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort of service interaction. So cloud computing is a model of so we put it here. Oh, yeah. Oh wow, so in the course they're still using these. I see how Google works. Copying others' content. Okay. So on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured service. No, please. Okay. So we can give it a bit more space for the other instances, but in this case, it's a long one. And then we have availability, durability, and latency. Availability and latency. So availability, GCP. What is high availability? So high availability in cloud computing is the ability. Why am I choosing this shitty source? Oh, nice. Okay, so let's go this source. Cloud storage is designed for non-durability. The monthly availability of data storing also depends on storage class. They do not give a generic Collins dictionary. I accept. So, man, what's happening here? Availability. Okay, check availability. Oh, come on. Mr. Collins, why are you such a bitch? Let's go another place. The fuck? Let's see if Cambridge has more dignity. Maybe. Availability. Oh my god. Availability. The fact that something can be bought, used, or reached, and how much it can be, they suggest that availability. Oh man. Cloud dictionary. Someone having tries the cloud dictionary. There's a massive. What the fuck? Let's see. Or reference? Nah. something is available. Cloud service availability meaning. Science Direct. Oh, availability in cloud computing. Paper is uptime over the total time. Availability is defined as the fraction of time that a system is ready to provide correct service and does not experience planned or unplanned downtime. Man, this is a definition. Search, copy, link to highlight. Not sure if it will work. What is this? Chapter service availability. So this is an AI network. Yeah. However, I'm Science Direct. Whatever. Let's go. We cannot lose too much time on this. Oh, maybe we can also search for is there a way to change here the word we're looking for, like instead of availability we may look for durability. Science Direct. Science Direct. Yeah, let's go. Oh my god. Let's delete Science Direct. It was just durability. A system that is durable is able to perform its responsibility over time, even expected events may occur. For example, a durable storage system will reliably store data without a loss. Let's go AWS. Concepts. Nice. And which was the other? Availability. Let's see. Ooh, availability is on availability. I like it. I like it. Let's go. Yeah, I would like some homogeneous. Do they have cloud also? No. Okay. Latency. Let's go. Latency. Easy. measurement of the amount of time between an action and the result of between a request and the response. Bam! Precise, simple, clear. Let's fucking go. So a region comprises zones, and you can see also it in the way you format the zones names. What was the hierarchy of the geographical entities? Location. Each of these locations is divided into several different regions and zones. Okay. Okay. So GCP location. If I look for GCP location, yeah, so really locations look like not relevant. Only regions and zones are relevant. Just a business area which we may find regions and zones. It's the first, is the highest entity in the geographic that's the entity in the geographic organization of resources. So we have also these informations. Region consists of 3 or more zones housed in 3 or more physical data centers. Okay, so we have this other piece of information for the zone. The zone is a deployment area for Google Cloud resources within a region. Zones should be considered as a single failure domain within a region. Okay. Google Cloud. Ah, okay. Great. Okay. Let me see some other information here. Geography. The cloud products are served for a specific region of failure. Hey, what the fuck? Oh man. Okay. Workload products are served from specific or regional failure domains and are fully supported by service level agreements to ensure you are designing your application architecture within the structure of Google Cloud. Google Cloud Infrastructure services are available in locations across North America, South America, blah, blah, blah. These locations are divided into regions and zones. Operation latency, stability, and durability requirements. What the fuck does this mean? And it is okay, zones or regions. Once you have structure of physical resources, a region consists of three or more houses. These data centers may be owned by Google and listed on the Google Cloud Locations page, or they may be leased for third-party data center providers. For the full list of data center locations for Google Cloud, see our certificate, blah, blah, blah. Regardless of whether data center is owned or leased, Google Cloud selects data centers and designs its infrastructure to provide a uniform level of performance, security, and reliability. Service level agreements. Okay. The following are the services for the following programs services. Let's see, Cloud Run, for example. What does it mean to read a service level agreement? The covered service will provide a monthly uptime percentage. Okay. If Google does not meet the SLO, and if customer applications are, man, I'm confused about this SLO, SLA. I am going to explain in simple terms what does mean SLA in GCP. Nice. Okay. So it defines uptime commitment. Compensation for downtime. If GCP doesn't meet its uptime commitment. Okay. And SLO. Why SLA is an external contract between a service provider and its customer. An SLO is an internal goal or target that the service provider sets to help meet or exceed this SLA. If GCP has an SLA guaranteeing 99.95 uptime for compute engine, it may have an internal SLO of 99.99. This gives them a buffer to stay above the SLA threshold. Okay. Well, yes. Availability measures how often the service is up and running as expected. Example, the service is available 99.95 of time in a month, metric uptime percentage. Latency, how quickly the service responds to requests. 90% of API requests are completed within 200 milliseconds. Okay. So SLEs provide raw data. SLOs set a goal based on the SLIs. SLAs are external promises backed by penalties, often derived from the SLOs. Would you like help defining SLIs for a specific project or system? No, thanks. Okay, now I have a more rigorous idea about those terms. Okay, cloud services and resources can be zonal, regional, managed by Google across multiple regions. For more information about what these options mean for your data, see geographic management of data. Google Cloud intends to offer a minimum of 3 availability zones, physical and logical distinct zones in every general purpose region. Regional location, addition to regional location, artifact registry, big table, sensitive data protection, cloud healthcare, cloud KMS, container registry, spanner, cloud storage, database migration service, data store, file store. These multi-regional services are designed to be able to function following the loss of a single region. For more information, see authority by location. Let's see this just for curiosity. Multi-region. Okay, so in the US, we have these multi-regional services and those artifact, BigQuery, cloud storage, spanner, store key management services, HSM, cloud AKM. Hey, payment gateway only in Asia. Speech to text. Oh, I see. Okay. Global products. The following products are available with no dependence on location. Load balancing, CDN, interconnect, DNS, armor, network intelligence, traffic director, virtual private cloud, cloud NAT, connectivity center, private service connect, service directory. Oh, fuck. Cloud monitoring, trace profiler, repositories build. Okay, interesting. So we have global resources, multi-regional. Okay, interesting. Geographic management of data. To build, okay, additional solutions. Well, wow. Are custom designed. Hmm. Wow. Sorry. Deploy hardware cryptographic accelerators. Hmm. Yeah, okay. Hmm. Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you. Great. Hmm. Okay. Let's go. This is a big scare. Yeah. Let's go. Now we'll have the quiz. So passing score 66%, 3 questions. We need to do at least 2 good answers. Why might a Google Cloud customer use resources in several regions around the world? To offer localized application versions in different regions. Oh man. Yeah, this one looks like a better answer than to improve security, because it's not just security, but fault tolerance is a broader concept, and of course, to bring the application closer to users around the world. What type of cloud computing service lets you bind your application code to libraries that give access to the infrastructure application needs? So this is platform as a service. Yeah, because what type of cloud computing services lets you bind your application code to libraries that give access to the infrastructure your application needs? Yeah, I think it's this one, because virtualized data center do not offer binding to libraries. Software as a service gives you also the service. Hybrid cloud is just another concept. Infrastructure as a service will not provide you the binding to the libraries. Infrastructure as a service is basically, yeah, the next level of virtualized data center. Well, or maybe nearly the same. What is the primary benefit to a Google Cloud customer of using resources in several zones within a region? for improved fault tolerance. Let's see. Yeah, 100%. Let's go. Next. Okay, so okay, we'll have a look to these concepts here in the next video. Therefore, for now, we'll just close the streaming. Thank you for staying with me. I mean, there's 0 viewers, so thank you in case you are having a look at this video after its recording. And yeah, I will just continue with this core infrastructure fundamentals in order to continue with the rest of the courses of this learning path. Let's go.